Hi, my name is Roxana and I am an application engineer at Materialise. Today I will be showing you how to semi-automatically and automatically segment the whole heart using our CT Heart tool. In this video, you will learn how to semi-automatically segment the heart by placing seed points on different heart structures. And then I will show you how to automatically segment the full heart using the CT Heart tool. I have already imported the data here for the heart. You can see it on the right-hand side. I will go to the advanced segment and select the CT Heart tool. For this first tutorial, we will use the manual segmentation, and we have to set the threshold for the right heart and the left heart first. You can see that you can adjust the threshold by sliding the slider. And once we are happy with the result of the threshold on the 2D view, we can move on with placing our seed points. We're going to start on the axial view. You also have the option to delete the points that you select. We will start on the axial view. I will scroll on the 2D images to where I can see the structures better. First, I'm going to start with LV. And as you can see, we can move the points around, so there is control over the size and the placement of the seed points. And we will move on with different structures. I will scroll through the 2D images and find the best point to place my seed point for the different structures of the heart. This is the aorta, then RA, and then we will move on to RV. I can see here that the threshold that I set for the left heart is not taking everything into account, so I can go back and adjust it a little bit to have everything in the segmentation that I would like to have highlighted. And then I move on with placing my seed points. And the last point is going to be PA. I will make it a bit smaller to have everything I want in the segmentation. Then I will move to the sagittal view, and for the other seed points, I will select this spine. And then once we are happy with the points, we can click on apply. There is also the possibility to view your seed points in 3D, as you can see now. The result might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the set of data that you're working with. Once everything is ready, we can press on OK, and then we will be able to see all the different structures of the heart in the object list on the right-hand side in the project management window. And this is the result of the semi-automatic segmentation. We will now move on to the automatic segmentation of the full heart. Again, advanced segment and CT Heart tool. We will select the automatic option and the full heart and press on apply. Again, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the set of data that you're working with. And once the results are ready, we can click on OK. And you will be able to see all of your different parts in the object list in the project management window. The results are going to need a little bit of editing, which I will show you in the next steps. But these are all the different structures of the heart, including the myocardium. So we will move to the segment menu and select the Edit Mask tool. And I'm going to cut off the connections of the parts that I do not want to have in my 3D model. Once all the connections are cut, I'm going to select the Region Grow tool and click once on my region of interest to have all the unwanted parts removed. I'm going to move on to the aorta and do the same thing. I will cut off the connection between the unwanted parts and my region of interest, which is the aorta. This can be done in 2D or in 3D. If you want to be very exact with the outlines of your structures, it is suggested to work on your 2D data. And then we will move on to the region growing tool again and click once on our region of interest. And at the end, once all the parts are edited, this is the final result that you're going to have for your automatic heart segmentation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Scan the QR code for more tutorials and educational content.